Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The best Go Dog Go Party supplies is probably one of the most exciting and vibrant collections available for celebrating your furry friend's special day, transforming any gathering into a canine carnival with its playful designs and durable materials, ensuring that every wagging tail and happy bark is matched with an equally delightful atmosphere, making it the ultimate choice for pet parents looking to throw an unforgettable bash that's as unique and spirited as their beloved dogs. Number 5. Blue Panda Dog Bone Pull String Pinata. Get ready to celebrate your furry friend's special day. This bone-shaped pinata is the perfect addition to any dog-themed birthday party. Filling this pinata is a breeze thanks to its convenient opening. You can easily add candies, confetti, or small party favors inside. Watch as everyone gets excited to pull the colorful ribbons. This interactive design ensures that all your guests can join in the fun. Crafted from sturdy materials, it's built to last throughout your celebration. The shimmering silver foil exterior makes it a real showstopper. This piñata is a must-have for any dog lover's party. It's a fantastic way to complete your birthday decorations and create lasting memories. Make your puppy's birthday unforgettable with this unique and engaging party activity. It's sure to be a hit with all the little guests. What we like. This piñata offers a fun, interactive experience with its pull-string design and eye-catching silver foil. If you're looking for a classic party game that doubles as a striking centerpiece for a dog-themed birthday, this is a fantastic choice. It's perfect for engaging younger guests and creating memorable moments. What people say. Fit a ton of treats. Also very pretty. Great piñata for birthday parties. You don't smash it, you pull the strings and the candies will fall. Very cute and sturdy. Number 4. GoSports Party Dog Disposable Red Cup Style Pet Food Bowls. Bring the fun to your pet's mealtime with these unique red cup style bowls. They're perfect for adding a touch of humor to any occasion, making your furry friends feel like part of the party. These 22 ounces disposable bowls are ideal for feeding your smaller dogs or cats. They're convenient for use at home or when you're out and about, holding up to 2.75 cups of food. Made from heavy-duty plastic, these bowls are more robust than paper alternatives. They are designed to resist breaking and leaks, ensuring a mess-free feeding experience indoors or outdoors. Crafted from food-grade plastic, these bowls are safe for your pets to use with dry food, wet food, or water. Please note they are not intended for hot foods or microwave use. Enjoy feeding your pets without the worry of cleaning up afterwards. These disposable bowls offer a convenient solution for messy meals, though they can be hand-washed if preferred. What we like. These disposable bowls bring a playful, party vibe to your pet's mealtime with their iconic red cup design. If you're hosting a pet-friendly gathering or simply want to add a touch of fun to everyday feeding without the cleanup, these are ideal. They are great for smaller dogs and cats, making them a convenient option for parties or travel. What people say. The plates are sturdy and hold a good amount of food. The cups are a good size and don't leak. The napkins are soft and absorbent. Number 3. Wall Pops DWPK 2466 Watercolor Dots Wall Art Kit. Introducing our beautiful Watercolor Dots Wall Art Kit. Add a splash of color to any room with these charming pink accents. Decorating is a breeze with our easy peel and stick design. Simply peel off the backing and apply them to your desired surface. Not quite right? No problem. These decals are fully repositionable, allowing you to adjust them until they're perfectly placed. Worry-free decorating is here. They are always removable and will leave no sticky residue behind, keeping your walls pristine. These versatile decorations stick beautifully to most smooth, flat surfaces. Get creative and transform your space. Each kit comes on 4 convenient sheets, measuring 17.25 inches by 9.75 inches. You'll have plenty to work with. With a total of 59 pieces, you have everything you need to create a stunning wall display. Let your creativity flow. What we like. Add a splash of color and personality to any room with these easy-to-use watercolor dot decals. If you're looking for a quick, damage-free way to decorate a nursery, playroom, or any living space, these are perfect. Their repositionable nature allows for creative freedom and endless design possibilities. What people say. The plates are sturdy and hold a good amount of food. The cups are a good size and don't leak. The napkins are thick and absorbent. Number 2. Gejoy Dog Theme Birthday Party Supplies Balloon Kit. Get ready for a pawsome celebration. This balloon kit is perfect for any dog-themed party, bringing joy and excitement to your event. You'll receive a complete set of balloons, including paw prints, bone shapes, and a variety of colorful latex balloons. It also comes with balloon tape and glue dots for easy assembly. Crafted from safe and durable latex and aluminum foil, these balloons are built to last. They are comfortable to handle and can be reused for future celebrations. Inflate them with air or helium and easily create stunning balloon arches and garlands. They can be arranged in countless ways to suit your party space. Ideal for birthdays, baby showers, pet parties, or any occasion calling for a touch of canine charm. They add a festive atmosphere to any gathering. These cute dog-themed decorations are perfect for creating a memorable backdrop for photos. Capture precious moments with your loved ones. What we like? Create a festive and adorable atmosphere with this comprehensive balloon arch kit featuring cute dog-themed elements. If you're planning a dog birthday party, baby shower, or any pet-themed celebration, this kit provides everything you need for a stunning visual impact. It's perfect for creating a memorable backdrop for photos and adding a joyful ambience. What people say. The decorations were vibrant and really set the party mood. The plates and cups were sturdy and held up well throughout the party. The dog-themed design was a huge hit with the kids and adults alike. Number 1. Go Dog Go Themed Birthday Party Supplies. Get ready for an amazing birthday celebration with our Go Dog Go themed party supplies. This set is perfect for creating a fun and memorable event for kids. Our complete decoration set includes a happy birthday banner, cupcake toppers, a cake topper, and themed latex balloons. Everything you need for a fantastic party is right here. You can trust the quality of our decorations. The balloons are made from safe, tasteless latex, and the toppers are crafted from food-grade paper, ensuring they are harmless for everyone. These decorations feature a unique Go Dog Go theme with special patterns that both kids and adults will love. Plus, the disposable tableware makes cleanup a breeze, so you can enjoy the party without the hassle. While perfect for birthdays, these supplies are also great for other themed parties, friend gatherings, or anniversaries. Give your child a wonderful birthday surprise they'll never forget. We are committed to providing high-quality party supplies. If you're not completely satisfied, please reach out to us for a great solution. Your satisfaction is our priority. What we like? Bring the beloved Go Dog Go characters to life for your child's birthday with this all-in-one party decoration set. If you're a fan of the cartoon and want to create a cohesive, exciting theme for a birthday or special gathering, this set is ideal. It offers a hassle-free way to decorate and celebrate, ensuring a fun and memorable experience for kids. What people say. The balloons were thicker than most, which was nice that they didn't pop easily. The banner and toppers you have to put together, but great quality. Decorations exactly as in picture. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.